Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like that, Bilal. So, for today's video, tayo po ay pauwi ng bahay. At kasama ko po yung aking, mayroon tayong pabisita, mayroon tayong pa-special guest. So, idadrop tayo ng katrabaho ko si Bilal. Kasi maghahatid po siya ng, what will you bring? Kasi isa naming kasamahan is magbabakasyon siya sa Pilipinas. So palis na siya tomorrow. So maghatid yata siya ng chocolate. Why just now you buy chocolate? You forget? So nakalimutan daw yung ibigay sa kanya. Pinapakilala ko sa inyo, I want to introduce to all of you. Is single and ready to mingle.
No way.
How old are you?
I'm not saying.
Still young. 24. I'd like to introduce to all of you one of my enemy. Most of the time he's my enemy. Because he always give me headache. But most of the time we always play Bilal. Say louder, no?
Hi guys, how are you?
Wow. He's single. What is your nationality?
Indian.
He's Indian. From where? From which?
Mumbai.
Mumbai?
Yep.
Mumbai. So siya po yung ating kasama. Ihatid niya po tayo sa work. Actually marami kami kanina. 4 kami pasahero niya. Kaya lang struggle rin yung pag-start ng car niya kasi empty ka ba? Empty battery?
Huh?
Empty battery?
What?
Before?
Yeah, it was not starting.
It's difficult to start na say. My English also is difficult.
I'm opposite to you.
You're opposite, no?
Opposite direction.
Yeah, we're always opposite. That's why we're always fighting. Number 1 enemy ko yan. Grabe. Sometimes, how many days I don't talk to him. Sometimes I become quiet. Because of him. Because of him, really.
Fighting.
But today, we don't need to fight because I don't have a choice. Because someone is going home.
Yeah,
Going vacation.
Our friend is going vacation. Very sad because we are good colleagues in these 2 years.
Now this is your chance.
I don't know
This is
what to do.
your chance, Bilal. You're a pastor now. You can do also my job.
No way.
No,
I
you
don't
can
want
do.
to take anyone's job.
So that I can take my off.
Yeah, you can take off.
Yeah,
I
you're
can manage that.
you're very. See,
I
my
can
English
manage
also difficult.
I can manage 1 or 2 days. It's okay, no problem.
Then I will tell to Mr. Silme.
No problem. You can take off.
Master Ram.
From here in Sana.
Yeah, from that we can turn right,
Because I don't know the locations.
or we can.
No, we
you
go
want this
from
way?
Here, then that side,
Yeah,
left,
the left side.
correct na?
Yeah. Then left.
Then right.
Left.
Yeah.
What right? But I think there's no chance to take it. Yeah, we can turn it left. I think no. Only straight.
No
You,
way. We can go left. You want to go left? I will take it left.
we can
No
take
problem.
left.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are our kawayans?
Huh?
Where they go? They reach home?
Wala. Yung mga kasamahan po namin, wala na. Iniwanan kami kasi nga di mag-start yung car niya. So, this is the way. This is Manama. Manama Gate. So, nakalibre tayo ngayon ng isang sa bus. Pero, okay din lang naman. So, that is Moda Mall.
Yeah, Mona Mall and Sheraton.
I never been there.
I gone there.
You been there?
Yeah.
I don't know what is
Good
the
place.
nice mall.
From here, na?
Yeah.
Correct na?
Yeah, correct.
Because I'm never coming here.
Because you don't want to come here, that's why.
Then straight, right?
Yeah, just straight. During your off, where you go?
I never go anywhere.
You never go anywhere?
On the beach only sometime. And then
Beach,
chilling there.
then what do you do then? Together with a
Going
lady?
with my family.
With
No
a lady?
No
Oh
lady,
my
with the
god! Tayo, dude! Oh my god! no date? No date? Why?
No. Still single.
Yeah, Bilal never have a girlfriend. Right? Bilal? Oh! Careful, ah! When I say girlfriend, you become like a nervous. You feel nervous when I say girlfriend.
Where is his house?
No, just straight.
Henry is living near to this
No,
petrol pump now.
I think Henry on that.
Henry living here.
No,
Near to this petrol pump.
no. Sometimes I go down here, then
Okay.
I walk from here.
It's too long.
But sometimes I go down there. But did you call Agner?
No.
Why you didn't call him?
I want to give him surprise.
You want to surprise him. Di ko nila maso-surprise eh.
He don't know I'm coming here.
You will be surprised also because we don't know the way.
Huh? Go.
No.
I will call him.
We can go by here. Because
No,
if
I'm
we-
dropping
if
him
we-
always there near to Lulu.
Yeah, but you have to.
Where his room? You can understand.
You know the Barren Pride? The Barren Pride.
Take
Near
me
the
there.
Barren Pride.
You take me there. I don't know anything here. I never come here.
Napaka-special naman kasi nitong ating ano.
Once a while. He's there or not there?
Which one?
Agner.
Yeah, Agner is in the
Agner! Hello, where are you?
Barren.
Here where? In your room? Okay, talk with Patrick. Where is your room? He don't know your room.
Oy, Agner, asan ka daw? Kasi may dadalhin daw siya sa'yo. On that side. But we cannot go there, no, because there's no
U-turn?
way. No, we cannot U-turn.
Okay, where?
That's
Where?
why.
Yeah.
Saan ka ba, Dong? Bahrain Pride, that one, the Bahrain Pride is there. But we cannot, you cannot U-turn, no?
Okay. Put down.
Lulu, ay pero hindi rin kami makakababa sa Lulu.
Okay, I can U-turn here. He don't know, Patrick don't know, but I do. Don't worry.
No, on that side. You
Yeah.
cannot U-turn. Oh, pasok ka na.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ito yung dito kami kumain before. Okay. Then after that one, police is coming, no?
No way, here U-turn. You can make it U-turn.
Actually, we can go Bahrain Pride, better Bahrain Pride, no need Lulu because it's far away.
Where is the Bahrain Pride?
Bahrain Pride just straight, no?
Straight.
Straight,
Living here.
why you know?
Here, this building.
Before you drop him there?
I drop all, but I don't know the way. After I forgot always. Because
Then we can turn right.
From that guy?
Yeah,
That guy?
there's a way there, no?
Okay.
Tell to him now we're here at the Bahrain Pride. Yeah, so this is the Bahrain Pride. See, you see that is the Bahrain Pride,
right.
and that is Agner house. That
Where?
building.
Upside?
Yes, he's a rich guy, no. But we cannot park here, no. We cannot. 1 minute. Maybe on the side. Better you call him. So that,
Western Union is there. No?
yeah. Ang napaka-arte. Arte. Magbabakasyon lang eh.
Hello!
Arte mo?
Yalah, bye-bye.
Arte mo?
I heard you're not coming back.
Who? Who said?
I had.
Asa na?
I
Bilal,
had.
take it.
That's gift for you.
Oh.
You will come back na? Huh?
Liar ka talaga. Celebrity
You will come
ka.
or no?
But why not?
You told me last night, yesterday you will not come back.
Why not? Why I will not come back?
I will go down na.
Bye, bye, bye. Ah,
Bilal.
Take care you
of the
too.
store.
Ayun ka na.
See. He lost here and then hopefully.
Bilal, thank you ha. Bye bye.